Hi, friends. Today I want to talk about a very important topic that is mental abuse. Are you going through any kind of mental abuse? Have you realized it? See, most of the time we know about what is physical abuse when someone harms you physically continuously. You say that, okay, he is beating me or he is hurting me or anything like that. But mental abuse is even worse than a physical abuse. Every day, if someone is keeping on telling you that you are good for nothing, you can't do anything, or they are finishing their frustration on you, you slowly start believing that, and your self confidence will decrease. You may go through depression, or nowadays you can hear about a lot of suicidal news as what is happening. This all are due to this over mental abuse. So if you are going through any kind of such abuses, please come out of it. Now, how to come out of this kind of relationships or toxic relationships where you are continuously feeling bad about yourself, or you are feeling that you are the reason for all the problems, or someone else is making you feel you are the reason for all this kind of problem. Okay, first thing is, have self love. Now, how to start self love? Accepting all your weakness and then your strength. Okay, the moment I realized what are everyone have weakness, you have a lot of weakness, I have my own weakness. So when I accepted my weaknesses physically, mentally, the way I look, the way I feel, the way I think, my incapabilities, when I accepted it, I was strong enough to realize, okay, these are my weakness. Now I need to focus on my strength. So now no one can actually hurt me mentally saying about my weakness, because I am not trying to hide it. I have accepted it and I'm ready to tell to the world I have certain weakness, and that is what I have written in my book. Because the moment I realized my weakness, I was strong enough to talk about it, and I'm proud about it, because that is how God have created me, and God have given me lot of strength. But most of the time as human beings, what we do is we try to hide each of our weakness. We are fearful that if anyone knows my weakness, will they tease us? What happens if others tease us? Nothing. We are not going to lose anything. So first thing is self love and self acceptance. When you accept and when you love yourself the way you are, there comes self respect. You respect yourself as a human being. Okay, now when you respect yourself as a human being, when someone disrespect you, when someone tries to put you down consciously or unconsciously, you have a realization that this should not happen in my life. Now this is the first step to come out of such relationships, or to say no to such relationships. You know your value, and the people who don't know your value, when they are continuously abusing you, you should have the courage to come out of it, say no to it. So first initial stage, maybe you can try to correct them, because everyone who are hurting you are not doing it consciously. They are not trying to hurt you because they really want to hurt you. Most of the time it is because they have got hurt, they have gone through similar toxic relationships, and they are trying to take their frustrations on you. But you are not that person to take all that feelings. See, if you are a strong person, and if that's not hurting you, it's okay to go through it. But if you are not a strong person, and if you really feel weak when you're going through such relationships, you got to come out of it, either by correcting the other person or just taking you out of this relationship. So this is very very important, that don't let anyone else to mentally abuse you. Know your weakness, focus on your strength, work on your strength. As a human being, you are supposed to have a beautiful life in this world. It doesn't matter how much money you have, or the way you look, or which family you are born in, but you should have a strength to speak for yourself, to stand for yourself. What world will tell about you if you come out of such relationship? That doesn't matter as much as the worth of your life. Know your own value and focus on that value. Love you so much, and thank you so much.